Hi everyone, I just want to show you a cool web tool that I have used and I've seen used by a couple other people. It's called Doc Story Builder. This is the website, docstorybuilder.appspot.com. You can Google it easily. Um, it's a really simple video creator that makes it look like multiple people or characters are speaking within a Google document. So it's really good to show students collaboration or how to change how to make changes to documents. Before I show you how it works, I just want to show you this example. It's one of my favorite examples because it's about the atom. It's actually a science example by Alyssa Navapanich. And she used this to show how the atom, how our understanding of the atom changed over time as new scientists discovered new things. So I'll give you a minute to watch this. So it was a really quick, simple video, and it's fun to make your own. So I just want to go through and show you how to do that. There are a couple things to remember as you get started. Um, once you've created characters and begin typing out your story, you actually can't go back and edit it because of how it's set up. So you want to have a plan for what you want to do before you're writing it. So let's make some characters. We're going to go with Eric and Matt because those were the first two names I thought of. Write story. So what you can do is you can show how things need to be changed or how collaboration can happen. I actually used it in a really simple way that I'll use right now. So when I was using it with some of my students, we were doing a grammar lesson on compound sentences. So I wrote some really simple sentences like, not yesterday, I went to the store. I bought grapes and Cheez-Its. Okay, so really simple thing. So then the next character will come in, so Matt, or you can choose a different one if you want somebody else to do it. And Matt is going to go in and change it to a compound sentence. So I went to the store, and see how, if you notice, the exact words of the document went into Matt's character dialogue. And so you can add to it, you can erase it and start over, but the coolest way to use it is to actually just edit it. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to say that's not going to be a period anymore, that's going to be a comma, and I'm going to put an and. So now we have a compound sentence. Really simple. You can give it a title, and then you can add music. There aren't very many choices, but they can be entertaining depending on what you're trying to do, and you can preview it, so if you want to go back and edit it, you can. One thing to remember is that when you actually create the story, so I'm going to add music, and if I say finish up, I can say get share link. And once I get a share link, there is no save. It will not save it for you. The link will stay there forever, but you need to save the link. So because it will not save to any sort of account because you didn't actually have to log in to do this. This is just a free website that anybody can really access, and try it out. See if maybe you can use it in your classroom or your students can try it. I had a couple students in my 6th grade class actually into this and build one themselves, doing the exact same thing that I just did, where you take simple sentences and build compound sentences or more complex sentences. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and share. Please feel free to share with me if you make a video. Thanks.